Making cider at home is surprisingly simple, and you don't even need fresh apples. As long as you've got apple juice, you can turn it into a crisp, refreshing cider. Start by pouring your apple juice into a clean, sterilized fermenting bucket. If you're using fresh apples, you'll need to press them first to extract the juice. Take a hydrometer reading and keep it safe. This tells you the potential alcohol content. If you're using fresh juice, crush a Camden tablet and stir it in, then leave it for 24 hours. This helps remove wild yeast and keeps everything under control. If you're using shop-bought juice, you can skip this step. Next, check the temperature you're aiming for, around 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Once it's in range, add your yeast nutrient and cider yeast, then give it a good stir. Loosely place the lid on and leave it somewhere warm for around 10 days. During this time, fermentation will begin and the sugars will slowly turn into alcohol. After 10 days, check it again with your hydrometer. Once the reading drops below 1.000, fermentation is complete. Now add a teaspoon of sugar to each bottle. Carefully siphon the cider into the bottles, leaving a small gap at the top. Then seal and gently mix. Leave the bottles in a warm place for a few days to carbonate, then move them somewhere cool and dark to clear. After a few weeks, chill a bottle, pour slowly, and enjoy your homemade cider. If you prefer it sweeter, you can always add a little sugar when serving.